Hey guys, it's Michaela, and today I'm going to walk you through how to recover a deleted Instagram account. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's jump in. Basically, the first thing you want to know is that if you are trying to get back a deleted Instagram account, the stance for Instagram is if it's been past 30 days once you permanently deleted your account, you can't recover it. However, if you've only temporarily deleted it or you did the permanent delete, you have that 30-day grace period that you can just log back in by going to Instagram.com or going to the app, just logging in like normal, and it will bring up a menu saying, "Are you sure you want to reactivate your account?" And you'll get in that way. But if we're talking about something that's been past 30 days, then it's pretty hard to get back in. But there is one way that you can try to go ahead and get back into your account, and I'm going to show you that now. So if we want to get out of Instagram, we're going to go to Instagram's help page. So basically help.instagram.com/contact. I'm going to get this direct link in the description below. But once you go to this link, it's going to open up with this page. And this is where we're going to get in contact with Instagram and try to recover our account. It says my Instagram account was deactivated. So basically, if Instagram deleted your account and it wasn't your fault, it was something about community guidelines or something happened on that end and they deleted your account, then this is going to be how you recover that account. So we're going to go through, and then at the very bottom, the middle, it's going to say, is this account used to represent a business or a service? And you can say yes if it is, or if it's a personal Instagram account, just go ahead and hit no. And then it's going to bring up this menu where you're going to fill out your first name, your last name, your Instagram handle, your email, and then what country you're writing this form from, and then hit send. Once you hit send, you're going to receive an email from Facebook/Instagram. They're owned by the same company, so that's why it's going to say Facebook right here. But it basically says, like, thanks for contacting us. Before we can help you, we need to verify who you are, make sure this is your account. So it's asked you to take a picture of yourself holding this code. So the code is the 62834. You write that down on a piece of paper, you hold it, you take a selfie with it, showing those numbers, and you send it in. In the box right here, you can see a couple of things they want to make sure it's like the JPEG, that it's well lit, that you have both hands holding the sheet of paper. They just want to make sure it's you. So if you follow these directions that it's going to say in the email, then you can go ahead and resubmit it to this email. And then you're going to get an email back from Instagram, and it's going to give you a link, and this is how you reopen your account. If they accept your application, your appeal to reopen your account, they think that that picture was you, they believe you, then they'll give you this link and you can go ahead and re-enter into your account by just clicking on that link. If you guys have any questions on any of this, let us know in the comments below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.